All right, we're on the Honda Pilot right now, 2020. Got my Evil Energy catch can. Last time I emptied it out was about a year and a half ago. Let's see how much oil is in. Whoa, that's about half full. Let's see what this oil looks like. Ooh, that is dark. Well, see in here. Well, there's a lot of sediment in there. Not sure what it is. Let's get a rag and see what's that. All right, I tried to get as many of the chunks out as possible. It's just not coming out. But it seems like it's carbon deposits. Let's see my finger. Yeah, look at that, carbon deposits. Grainy feeling, does not feel like metal bits. So yeah, this thing is catching those carbon deposits in the engine and it's just dumping it in here. So this thing does work. Keeps your combustion chamber nice and clean. I'll check back in another year and a half or two.